This is my 1995 Ford Jayco. It's kind of an old RV, but I got it really cheap for $6,600. So that's 6,600, and it's in pretty good condition overall for something its age. It's only got let me see how many miles. Oh, I can show you, but I think it's 90 something thousand miles. It's got this 90s retro look to it, which I kind of like, but I'm gonna change it up a little bit. I plan to hopefully paint all the cabinets white, kind of modernize it a little bit, change all the lighting, and yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of a project. But right now, what I'm doing is I am changing the battery because the battery is letting me down when it's getting hot. So I can drive it for a bit, and then when I park it and turn it off, it doesn't crank up again. And it's because this battery, it's 14 years old. It's really old. It's an original Ford Motorcraft, so they got to change the dealership. And so that's the battery that goes here. I basically just undid the negative lead, the positive lead, and the battery hold down that was here, and then the battery just lifted out. I'm also looking over here. I was trying to see if the generator would turn on with the generator battery. I was kind of this truck has 3 batteries. It has that one for starting the main engine. This is a Ford 460. I think it's like 7.5 liter, and then it has this other smaller battery. And this one, it looks like the positive lead, so the negative lead goes to the chassis here, and the positive lead, if I follow it across the chassis here, this cable, it appears to go down towards this, down towards the generator over here, which is underneath this. So I got this generator here. It's a Onan Microlight 4000. It's a 2-stroke motor basically with a generator. So cover, and I tried to turn it on without the main battery installed, but it doesn't do anything. So I also went inside the car, and with that battery still plugged in, I can actually still kind of faintly see some of this. So there's a test. Oh, this is no longer working. I guess it was probably running residual electricity. But this is this has some lights here that allow you to see like what the charge is, the holding tank, fresh water, different things. And this is basically the main control panel. This is the button to start up the generator, which doesn't start up. So normally I can only start up the generator with the main battery plugged in. So I'm still not sure what that small little extra battery is for. But I'm gonna go change it. And to change it, I have to take out some of the air cleaner housing that I took out, and I'm air drying over here. This one. So this guy was kind of blocking. See, this sucks the air through here into the air cleaner. It was kind of blocking the battery access. So I decided to clean it up while I'm at it and put it back in the sun. And I took out the air filter, which is probably as old as the actual batteries from '05. Although, it's not as horrible as I thought it would be, but some areas do have a lot of crap in it. And I'm gonna be wiping a little bit of this just to make it a little bit less dusty to work with. You know, a little bit of cleaning goes a long way in making sure you're satisfied with your car. At least that's how I feel about it. And I'm gonna take this battery out and I'll see how old it is, because it's probably from 05 as well, so, or 06 like the other one. So I'll let you go and I'll get to that.